Kamusta mga ate, kuya, beshi? Si Chari po ito mula sa The Sun, Moon, Stars, PH Tarot. Ipapaalam ko lang po na ito po ay isang general read o pangkahalatang pagbabasa at maaring hindi lahat ay magtugma sa inyong sitwasyon. I-check din nyo ang inyong Moon, Rising at Venus sign. Baka doon mas tumugma ang read para sa inyo. At kung ang mensahe ay tama sa inyo, paki-like lang po at mag-subscribe kung hindi pa ninyo ito ginagawa. Okay, mag-umpisa na po tayo. Hello po mga ate, kuya, beshi. Kamusta na po kayo? Dito ulit ako si Chari para gumawa ng another reading, and this is for the signs, for all signs. And I wanted to give you an extra bonus read para sa buong signs po. So, gagawin ko yung bawat isa-isa from Aries down to Pisces. Okay? So, but this will be something, just a short reading para lang to, pagdagdag ko na meron kayong alam na whatever message that the universe or God wanted to send you. Okay? So, tignan natin for Aries kung ano yung message. We have the King of Pentacles, the Lovers, and Judgment. Bottom niya is the Page of Swords. Okay, Aries. Yung King of Pentacles dito, energy coming from an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn, or meron siya dito sa kanyang chart. And this is something na you are thinking about, no? Pinag-iisipan mo to, Aries. You might be dealing, sabi ko, with the earth sign. And tinuturing mo tong person na to be your lover. No? This is an energy coming from a Gemini. Baka meron din siyang Gemini sa kanyang chart. And parang there is a decision that needs to be made. Kasi itong susunod nating card is also Judgment, which is also all about decision. No, Judgment is a energy coming from Sagittarius. And you wanted na with the Page of Swords na makapag-usap kayo. Be able to talk, no? Na talagang masinsinan. Something na kung gaba heart-to-heart talk. Yun yung, maybe that is what you been thinking about or hoping na mangyari. Kasi with the Chariot, this is an energy coming from a Cancer. You know, you wanted to move forward. Something that, kasi yung conversation na mangyayari, kung mangyayari man ito, is something that would make the relationship move forward. Kung ba. Not necessarily, depende kasi sa pag-uusap nyo, no? Kung ano yung maki-clear out nyo na issue, kung magiging kayo o hindi. But the moving forward here is what I feel na kung merong mga bagay na tinatago noon, ito yung para magre-release, no? Yung pag-uusap na to is, or telling the truth, is needed para ma-release yung feeling na wala na akong dapat pang itago o guilt feeling na would hold me back dito sa relationship na to. Kasi kung gaba, sabi ko nga, if it's meant to be, it will happen. Okay? The thing is, of course, ang hope mo dito sa moving forward is may maayos kayong dalawa sa issue nyo. Kung ano man yung mapag-usapan nyo, no? Honestly, bluntly na sinasabi talaga na ito kasi nangyari, ito nararamdaman ko, kung bakit hindi tayo nagkausap noon, o bakit bigla na lang ako nawala, something like that, no? Take it as it resonates, kung ano man yung issue nyo. Kasi ang nakikita ko dito, there was some sort of a deception, no? Deception in a way na hindi nga naging honest yung person mo. Kung ba, meron siya itinago. Something's been kept secret from you. Maybe hindi niya nasabi kung ano talaga nararamdaman niya. That's why there is that need to discuss things, no? There is the need to talk para malaman kung ano na ba talaga yung sitwasyon. Kasi lagi mo naiisip itong tao na to no? I think it is quite obvious that you think about this person frequently, Aries. No? Kasi kung gaba bakit hinihingan ka ng desisyon na, no? Make up that decision. Kung gaba parang God is telling, ano ba? Are you going to stick with this person o kakalimutan mo na siya and then you move forward? You move forward para meron ka ng ibang love. But so far, you cannot do that kasi gusto mo nga mag-usap kayo, gusto mo magkita kayo muli, o gusto mong i-explain yung person mo sa kanya. Gusto mo yung person mo may explain sa'yo about what happened nung nakaraan in the past. Okay? So, there will be a conversation, definitely. May pag-uusap na to clear out any deception na nangyari in the past. Okay? So, you look forward to that. Okay, Aries? Now, let's try Taurus. We have the Six of Swords, the Queen of Cups, and the Five of Pentacles. Bottom niya is the Seven of Pentacles. Now, Taurus, you wanted ng maayos. Gusto mong maayos itong sitwasyon nyo pagdating dito sa water sign na to. It could be a Cancer, Scorpio, or Pisces that you're dealing with. Or you wanted, o meron siya nito sa kanyang chart, or you wanted to clear out this relationship or this love that you have sa person mo. Kasi ang pakiramdam mo, you were ignored, you were not given that proper attention, love and attention. Parang you were just being put aside, no? Initsipwera ka lang dyan. Hindi ka binigyan ng nararapat na pagkalinga. As if you're treated like an option. Yung feeling na parang andyan ka lang pag gusto kita, pero pag hindi kita kailangan, diyan ka muna sa tabi. And you've been very patient with this person, no? Taurus. To a point na talagang suko na ako, no? I don't want it anymore. I'm done and over with. It's so difficult na mag-intay. Difficult to be patient. Difficult to wait for something to grow o maging maganda yung relationship. And what you wanted is, of course, na magkaroon ng something na solid, something na very tangible for me to see or to hold or realize na meron akong dapat panghawakan dito sa relationship na to, na merong something worthy for me to hold on to this. But so far, hindi mo makita yun You cannot see that. No? Hindi mo makita yung hinahanap mong yun. Yung solid na offer na to, you cannot see it. Gaba kung bawa parang, that's why you're questioning yourself and you're questioning your person. Mahal ba talaga ako nito? Is this person truly loves me? Kasi pakiwari ko talaga o pakiramdam ko, hindi. Hindi ako mahal nito. Parang ginagamit lang ako o andyan lang ako for other purpose. Kaya kung gaba parang hindi ako sure. No, I'm not sure about this. Right? So this is what I can see here, Taurus. So this is again a precaution or something for you to think about. If this is happening to you or resonating to you, you need to have that talk with this person. Kung ayaw niya, wala siya, I guess you have to make that decision on your own and see what is best for you. Kung ano yung na makakabuti para sa'yo. Always think of yourself first. Pag-isip mong yon sa sarili mo, ano yung mas makakabuti para sa'yo. Yun yung isipin mo. Okay? As a word of advice. Kasi kung gaba parang nag-aano ka dito as if you are begging for love and attention, no? Wherein hindi naman dapat. Hindi ganun ang pagmamahal. Okay? Now, Gemini, message for Gemini. We have the Magician, the Two of Pentacles, and the Two of Swords. Bottom niya is the Empress. Okay, Gemini, itong cards mo is saying na be wise about choosing. Be wise about making that decision or choice that you need to make pagdating sa kapakanan mo, no? Sa yung well-being. You should know better. You're a very intelligent person, Gemini. You know, you manifest things, no? Niisip mo yan, kung ano yung gusto mo. And making choices, no? Which one to choose is getting to be difficult for you. Nagiging mahirap para sa'yo. Maybe because it has something to do with a person that is more something, sabihin natin mas senior sa'yo. Maybe this could be your mother, a mother figure, somebody na merong kaalaman, no? In terms of maturity. And kasi itong person na to is somebody truly successful in life. Kasi itong person na to knows how to balance things, no, sa kanyang buhay. We have the Empress, the Six of Wands, and Temperance. So, yung dahil you're having difficulty making decision, I think you're nagko-confide ka dito sa tao na to na alam mong may experience na, no? Mas maraming alam pagdating sa life in general. And you wanted to make sure na yung sinasabi nito is something na talagang makakatulong sa'yo. makakatulong sa'yo na maging maayos yung buhay mo. Help you to balance things, no? With the Temperance. This is an energy coming from a Sagittarius. Or maybe you are dealing with a Sagittarius. Kaya kung gaba parang yung nire-refer mo na issue has something to do with a Sagittarius. You wanted to make that right decision pagdating sa kanya. And as nakikita mo na tong tao na to would help you or give you a very sound advice pagdating dito sa person na to, sa iyong Saji, or the person that you're dealing with. So, yun yung nakikita ko dito, Gemini. That's why, with all this manifestation, use your better judgment, gaba? You know what to choose. You know. Kaya yung energy na to na two of swords na to, this is just parang ano lang to kung gaba parang a decoy, no? Parang panggulo. Just to confuse things. Na kasi, alam mo naman kung ano yung importante o yung mas dapat. Pero ginagawa mong complicated. Okay? Kasi syempre, nakasalalay dito yung love. No? The Empress is it symbolizes love and abundance. No? So, yung pagmamahal mo dito sa person mo, malaking bagay sa'yo. Kaya, you're trying to think or trying to get opinions from other people kung ano yung dapat gawin. Okay? Kasi sa ngayon, maybe you're not seeing things clearly. Hindi mo nakikita ng maliwanag lahat ng bagay o yung bagay na kailangan mo makita. Ang nangyayari kasi, it builds confusion, kaguluhan. Diba? With the Five of Wands. Yun yung nangyayari. Kaya, you need assistance from other people, somebody na matalino or may kaalaman. Kaya parang doon mo gusto humingi ng advice nila. Okay? And of course, Gemini, the last words or the last decision would come from you. Kung ano man sabihin nitong Empress na to sa'yo regarding your person, it is still you who would make that final decision. Remember, you are given that free will. No? Meron tayong free will to choose right from wrong. It's up to you kung anong gusto mong piliin. Kasi ikaw lang ang nakakaalam kung anong mas makakabuti para sa'yo. Okay? Kahit sabihin ng itong tao na to, piliin mo ganito, but if you know from your heart na hindi iyon ang para sa'yo, syempre, hindi mo susundin yun, di ba? Susundin mo pa rin yung alam mong makakabuti para sa'yo. Okay? So, good luck, Gemini. Now, punta tayo to Cancer. Cancer. Ano yung we have the Queen of Swords, the Five of Cups, and the Death card. Bottom is Strength. Okay, Cancer. Dito is something na you went through something na matindi, no? Matindi na masakit. Kasi yung nangyari is something na regret mo, no? You regret yung nangyari. Kaya kung ba parang magkakaroon ito ng pagbabago, there will be change, transformation, o namatay, whatever change na yon, it ended, kaya nagkaroon ng pagbabago. Okay? Kung ito is something to do with a relationship, you cut off, no? Nakipag-split ka o inalis mo na to sa buhay mo kasi naisip mo na hindi siya nararapat o hindi na dapat ipagpatuloy. Kasi merong lang na hindi maganda yung nangyayari o yung energy na nakukuha ko dito sa relationship na to is really frustrating me. Kaya kung ba kailangan ng tapusin, kailangan na magkaroon ng change ang aking buhay, transformation. And you might be dealing with a Leo, no? Ito pala is energy coming from a Scorpio. This is of course air sign, Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius. Kung meron siya nito sa kanilang chart. So, you need strength, no? Kailangan mo ng lakas ng loob para magawa ito o harapin ito. Kasi yung hinarap mong yun is punong-puno ng kaguluhan, punong-puno ng komplikasyon o pag-aaway, hindi pagkakaintindihan. And it's really something na talagang, you've been blinded, no? Hindi mo nakita to agad na yung nagawa sa'yo o ginawa sa'yo ng person mo. Kaya ang advice sa'yo is just to rest. Magpahinga ka muna, tumahimik ka muna. No? Give yourself a break. Rest and, para mag-recuperate ka. Kasi you've gone through so much frustration or difficulty. Kaya dapat lang i-rest mo muna lahat. Yung damdamin mo, yung isipan mo, yung katawan mo, para lumakas ka muli. Okay? Makarecover ka dito sa nangyaring ito. Kasi mahirap, di ba? Mahirap yung may pinagdadaanan tayong regret. Yung nanghihinayang ka na bakit ko pa ginawa to? Bakit pa ako nakipagrelasyon dito? Bakit ko pa sinagot ito? Bakit ko pa niligawan to? That is regret. Parang sayang, no? Or sayang kasi bakit ko pinakawalan o bakit ko pinahintulutang mawala. That is regret, 'di ba? So natuto ka na, but of course yung good side nito is yung nangyari nga, natuto ka, you will learn. You have learned na sa susunod hindi mo na gagawin 'yon. At so yung pag-learn mong 'yan, you need to take a rest and really absorb everything na nangyari dito, yung nangyari dito sa Queen of Swords, no? Kung ano man yung inalis niya sa buhay na ito. And, just look forward, moving forward nga, na things will be okay. What is important is you have realized kung ano man yung dapat at hindi dapat gawin. Okay? Sa relationship na to. At least nakita mo na, no? You've realized what you haven't seen before. So, pinakita lang yun sa'yo. Okay? Now, go to Leo. Ano yung message for Leo? We have the 3 of Pentacles, the Page of Pentacles, and the 10 of Pentacles. Oh, we have the Five of Wands. Okay, Leo, ang dito, no, sa cards mo, you wanted this relationship to work well, no, to work well with your person. Gusto mo talaga na merong maganda kayong um, cooperation sa isa't isa. In other words, you will do your part and your person will do his or her part. Para okay kayo, no? Nagkakasundo kayo. Kung gaba, equal footing. May reciprocation. And dahil dyan, with the Page of Pentacles, gusto mo talaga ng that would start a very solid foundation for you, for both of you. Kasi maliwanag pa lang sa umpisa na this is what we should do. You know, you've been very vocal about things na that would make the relationship na maging okay. Kasi umpisa pa lang gusto mo talagang sabihin sa kanya na gusto ko maging maayos yung relationship natin. Ayoko na magulo. Kailangan ganito tayo. You've been very honest. So, ang magiging resulta niyan is of course the Ten of Pentacles, no? Total happiness. Having it all. Which is good kasi nga yung ginawa nyo na being open and vocal about this is ito yung result. No? Wala kayong nilihim, naging open kayo, you did your part, your person did your part, his or her part. Kaya nakakaipon, nagkaroon ng pera, magkakaroon ng, ibig sabihin yung lahat ng pinaplano nyo, matutupad kasi nga may direction. You know, may direction. There is a direction dun sa gusto nyo mangyari. Now, kaya nyo ginawa yan is because you don't want any conflict. You don't want any regret. And you only want love. Okay? True love. Yun lang ang gusto nyo. Gusto nyo dalawa. Which is napakaganda. Nakuha niya, walang gulo, walang regrets, pagmamahal lang, only love, and not just love, but true love. Okay? So, yun yung gusto nyo mangyari. Leo. Okay? So, I don't have to elaborate anything kasi napakaganda. I mean, sa umpisa pa lang, both of you are very mature pagdating dito sa relationship na to. Kaya, walang kung in-anticipate nyo na kung ayaw nyo nang may mangyayaring gulo or any conflict at all sa future kasi nga, I think you've learned from your past relationships and you applied it now with your person. Kaya, magiging smooth sailing lang ito. That's how I see it. Okay? I'll go to Virgo. We have the Hangman, the Fool, and the Hierophant. Bottom is the Chariot. Okay, Virgo. So, if there's something na hindi ka sure, kasi nandito yung energy ng Hangman, which is energy coming from a Pisces, if you're not sure at all, or there's no movement, no, walang paggalaw, this time, sabi mo, hindi na ako makakaintay pa na dito sa person ko. I will do what I need to do and I will take that leap of faith, I will take that risk and tell my person exactly that I want to be in a relationship with him or with her. Okay? In other words, mag-open up ka na, Virgo. Sasabihin mo na yung totoo. Sasabihin mo kung ano yung nasa puso mo, sasabihin mo kung ano yung nasa isip mo, sasabihin mo kung ano yung gusto mo mangyari with this person. Okay, kasi matagal ka na nag-intay. You waited, you've been patient, you wanted to see kung ano mangyayari, but nothing has been moving. Nothing is happening. So sabi mo, no, I cannot wait, no more. I will do what I need to do. Gagawin ko rin dapat kong gawin. Kasi it's about time that I let the person know that I'm interested or I'm in love with this person or with my person. Kasi yung decision, you made a decision, no, with the Chariot that you wanted to, keep the relationship in balance. And with the World card, ayaw mo na kasi nito eh. You don't want this stagnant energy anymore. Kaya nga, with the World, it changes with the Chariot kasi may movement na. May paggalaw na. And Virgo, again, this is your card, the Hermit. Pinag-isipan mo to ng matagal. You've thought about it, yung strategy, what to do, what is the plan, yung magiging action mo dito, o action plan mo dito. Lahat yun, inisip mo na, ginawa, kailangan na lang yung implementation. Okay, so, yun yung gagawin mo. The implementation part, which is here, you will act according to what you are, what you have thought about, or what you have felt, or kung ano yung naramdaman mo, ang gusto mong gawin, sabihin, napag-isipan, yun yung gagawin mo. You will take that leap of faith, and you will tell your person, I want to be in a relationship with you. Okay? So, good luck to you. Huwag sasabihin mo sa person mo. I think your person would welcome that. Okay? Kasi, kung gaba parang may forward movement dito eh. So, things will change, no? Magkakaroon ng pagbabago. Okay? And there's justice. So, it means that everything will be balanced. Kung yung dati, hindi, no? Sabihin natin, merong tahimik lang. At ngayon, hindi na. Magkakaroon na ng aksyon at pag-uusap. Okay?